shape our future. I want you to take a moment and think back just 20 years ago. We had phones that flipped, not scan our faces. We had cars that needed our heads, not our voices. And we had computers that could compute but never create. Now, fast forward to today, we live in a world where artificial intelligence is not only real, it's powerful, it's personal, and it's everywhere. AI is no longer something out of a science fiction novel. It's in our homes, in our pockets, in our decisions. This is the age of technology driven intelligence, and it's changing everything. What is AI really? At its core, AI is the ability of machines to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions, sometimes faster, more accurately, and more consistently than any human can. AI doesn't exist in a vacuum. It is technology, the sensors, the networks, the algorithms, the processing power that makes AI possible. Think of AI as the brain, and technology, that's the nervous system. Without one, the other is nothing. Let's go beyond the buzzword and look at what AI is doing right now. In a healthcare, AI is helping doctors detect cancer earlier, analyze X-rays in seconds, and even predict patient outcomes using vast amounts of medical data. Lives are based not because of luck, but because of learning methods. In education, AI is personalizing learning, adjusting lessons in real time to fit its students' needs. A struggling student no longer falls through the cracks. AI helps teachers reach everyone, not just the top of the class. In agriculture, AI driven drones are monitoring growth, analyzing soil health, and maximizing yield, helping feed what 8 billion people more efficiently than ever before. And in our daily lives, AI recommends what we watch, what we buy, what road we take, and yes, sometimes even what we think. That's the power of AI. And also, the challenge is with great power comes even greater responsibility. Yes, AI can enhance lives, but it can also deepen divides. It can empower or it can exploit. We've seen facial recognition system is identify people of color. We've seen algorithms unintentionally amplify bias. And we've seen jobs threatened by automation leaving communities behind. So, we must ask ourselves not just what AI can do, but what it should do. Technology may give AI its power, but human give AI its purpose. The future of AI should not be defined by cold calculation, but by our values. Ethics, empathy, equate. We must design AI that is transparent, fair, and accountable. AI that reflects our shared humanity, not just our ambition. That starts with you and me, with educators who teach students not just how to code, but how to question, with leaders who pass laws not just for progress, but for protection, and with everyday people who demand that technology work for them, not on them. So, where do we go from here? We have two choices. We can be passive users, letting AI evolve without our input, trusting it blindly. Or we can be active shapers of its future. Let's choose the second path. Let's invest in education so that young people don't just consume AI but create it. Let's push for the first voices in AI development so that every culture, every community is represented. Let's support ethical innovation where AI doesn't just advance quickly but wisely. And let's never forget technology is just a tool. It can build walls or it can build bridges. In the end, AI won't decide what kind of world we live in. We will. So let's use this incredible technology not to replace the human spirit but to elevate it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.